Hi guys, welcome back to Cookbook. I'm Komal Bora Shan, welcome back to my channel. Everyone was excited about the Mexican menu added in Domino's. That's right guys, in today's video I'll be presenting you Taco Mexicana, which is going to be made out of Lachha Paratha. So stay tuned and learn how I replicate the same Taco Mexicana in my kitchen. So let's begin. I'm going to start with pressure cooking overnight soaked red beans. I had soaked it overnight around 6 to 7 hours. I'm going to add in some more water. Adding some salt. We're going to pressure cook this for 5 whistles on high flame. After 5 whistles, we're going to leave it for 5 minutes on low flame. Meanwhile, let's start preparing the harissa sauce. I'm taking around 10 to 11 red chilies and I'm cutting the stalk. And I'm going to let it boil in the boiling water. Our chilies are nicely boiled. With the help of a tong, I'm just slowly removing all the chilies and keeping it in the blender. And then adding in some shahi jeera. You can even use a normal jeera. Adding in some garlic. And some lemon juice. Adding in freshly chopped coriander. Some salt. And around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And some water, and we're going to blend this into a fine paste, or you can even maintain a coarse paste according to your preference. And our harissa paste is ready guys. Look how gorgeous this looks. Once that is done, let's have a look at our pressure cooker. After 7 whistles, I've let it rest around 15 minutes till the pressure is completely out. And looks like our beans are ready. I'm going to then strain all the water out. The beans are perfectly cooked guys. In a large mixing bowl, I'm going to have my beans first. I'm then adding in some overcooked rice. Make sure the rice is overcooked guys for this recipe. I've taken around 1.5 cup of rice. Adding in cumin powder. Some chopped green chilies. Adding in some red chili powder. Adding in salt to taste. Squeezing in some lime. Adding in freshly chopped coriander, and with the help of my hand I'm just going to mix everything well. And I'm going to make patties out of this. Don't make it too small guys. You can see how much I have used. With this recipe you can make around 8 to 9 patties depending on the size of the patties you're going to make. The arancini bean patties are ready, guys. After this, we have to start preparing the batter for these patties. I'm taking equal quantity of corn flour and some maida, and I'm going to add in some water and make a slurp out of it. And this is the texture what we need for the batter. And in another bowl, I've taken some breadcrumbs. Once all the patties are coated, I'm going to take a pan, I'm going to add in some oil and I'm going to shallow fry them. Slowly placing all the patties in. A perfect golden brown color. Transfer these patties on a kitchen towel. Now getting back to our harissa paste, I have taken around 1 tablespoon of the paste. You can go as much as you want, guys. If you want it to be a little spicy, then you can add in 1 more tablespoon. That's okay. Mixing it all well. To replicate the taco mexicana used in Domino's, I'm going to use the parota, which is going to be of the ID brand. You can use anything, guys. You can make your lacha parathas at home, or you can make use of tortillas, anything what you like, or your leftover rotis. I'm then going to add in my mayonnaise and the harissa paste that we had created, spreading it all across. Adding in my patties. For this, you can add around 2 patties, it's going to be good. Some cheese. I've used the normal processed cheese, guys. Adding in some mixed herbs. Slowly folding it in. And just press it gently so when you're toasting it doesn't open out. And in today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make this on a normal pan. And I guarantee you guys, the result is going to be exactly the same of the oven. After adding in some butter, we're going to wait for the butter to sort of heat up. And then placing it in. On a low flame, nicely cook it, guys. Since this is a ready-made parota, we don't have to make it. If you're making a lacha paratha, make sure you half cook it first and then add the seasoning and the patties. We'll wait for it to turn golden brown. And slowly let's flip it to the other side. Wow, that's exactly what we're looking for, guys. Do you see the layers? And with the help of 2 spatulas, I'm going to press it so it is in the form of a taco. And I'm quickly making another one. Just repeat the process, guys. Put on your patties, your favorite dressing. And if you're making this for your kid, you can definitely add in your veggies. I'm sure for once they're not going to mind it. And a Domino's style taco mexicana is ready without any flavor enhancers or artificial flavors. It is super healthy and absolutely amazing. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me. Until next time, bye.